Good morning. Happy Monday. Okay, I'm going to attempt to tackle a big topic. Be patient with me, be kind. Hate is a learned behavior. When a baby is born, they do not know hate. A child is born into a world of love and acceptance. That's all they know. Parents, caregivers, society teach them how to hate, how to become violent, resentment, anger, rage. It's a learned behavior. It takes more energy to be angry and to hate someone than to just get along with them. Accept them for who they are, accept the situation for what it is, find a way to coexist, and let it go. If you don't like someone, you don't want to be around someone, then don't be around them. I know damn good and well there are people that cannot stand me. I'm okay with that. I don't know who they are. If I knew, obviously I'm not bothering them. I'm not around anybody. But if I did know somebody didn't care for me, I would not go poke the bear. I would not be around them just to annoy them. That's being a reactive abuser. That's not normal. That's a little on the sociopathic side. Let's not go down the path of a narcissist and annoy people just for fun. That's not normal. But there are people I do not care for. I am not around them. I choose not to be. I don't need that kind of negativity in my life. Okay, think about someone you really do not like. I mean, you really, really, really do not care to be around them. Pay attention to what your body is telling you right now. Do you get a little more acid in your stomach? You get a little heaviness, a little... You can feel the tension. You can feel your blood pressure rise a little bit. The knot in your stomach, that disgust, that anger, that, man. Why would you want to live with these feelings 24/7? No, not when there's an alternative. And that alternative is, okay, they're an ass. They can be an ass on their time. I'm staying away from them. I have worked with people, in the past, of course, I work by myself now, but I have worked with people I do not like. Okay, you're in an office setting, you have to play nice, you have to get along. Okay, for 8 hours a day, I can mind my own business, do my job. If I have to interact with this person, I will be civil, I will be polite. If they're trying to be a pain in the ass, I'm not going to take the bait because that's what they want. And you go about your life. Why can't we be like that? Why can't? I know the world situation right now is just a hot damn mess. But it's hate. It's fear, prejudice, bigotry, racism. And those are all learned behaviors. Why? Why? When the alternative is just accept people for who they are and let it go. People may not have the same belief system I do. They may not have the same morals, ethics, values as me. That's fine. That's okay. I know a lot of people that are different cultures, different races, different religions, different beliefs. Okay. That's them. Okay. It's not going to rock my world. I'm okay with it. They're okay with me. We coexist. You can coexist. It's a choice. Being negative, evil, hateful, spiteful, malicious, vindictive, toxic is a choice. Why make that choice? I know with youth, kids, it starts with kids. They want to assimilate. They want to belong. And if someone they look up to, whether that's an adult or one of their peers, is getting a lot of attention for being negative. They may think that's kind of cool. They may really think that's neat. I would sit that child down and have a little visit with them and ask them, when this first starts, what's attracting you to this? What is so neat about that? Maybe it's the way they dress, the way they talk, the way they carry themselves, or it's just everybody fears them. And there's a difference between fear and respect. And people, especially young people, confuse that. It's one thing to respect someone because they are a great person. You admire them. You hold them in high esteem. Maybe you don't like everything that they do, but they have done good things for the community. They're a good worker. They have attributes, positive attributes, and that's okay. That's not fearing someone. Fearing someone is not respecting someone. That's fear and terror. There's a huge difference, and kids don't understand that. You will hear them say, I'm going to make them respect me. Everybody's going to respect me. No, honey, they're not. You want people to fear you. There's a difference. If you want people to look up to you and admire you, do admirable things. I just wish I could sit down with kids and explain it's a choice. If you want to be a badass, okay, but be a badass for a good reason. Clean up the streets, Crime isn't going to be on our neighborhood. Be that kind of badass. There's no reason to instill fear and hate in people. Let's not do that. It would just be so much easier to accept each other for who we are and let it go. And just really quick, I want to talk about reactive abusers. And reactive abusers are people that like to poke the bear. They like to stir, I'm going to use some bad words, I'm sorry. They like to stir shit. They love that. I have someone that I know that I do not care for that will tell you they like to pit people against each other, like two scorpions in a jar, and see what happens. I just want to fuck with them and see what happens. That's awful. That's not normal. That is not normal thinking. That goes beyond narcissistic. That's, playing in the sociopath, psychopath neighborhood now. Let's not do that. Why would you want to annoy somebody just for fun? That's torturing somebody. That isn't a normal way to be. It can be a learned behavior because a child can see a parent or someone they admire doing this. They want to be like them. They think it's funny. They think if they do it, people are going to laugh and join their bandwagon. It's not normal and it's not funny. And people that are doing this need professional help. Seriously, they need professional help. Because it's not normal. Abuse is not normal. And they will tell you, oh, I'm just playing. Gosh, you can't take a joke. I only tease people I like. Well, then don't like me. Because that's not normal. If you like someone, you don't want to see them cry. You don't want to see them hurt. You don't want to see them embarrassed, humiliated, in tears. Why would you do that? How does it feel when someone does it to you? It's not so cool. And that's when revenge steps in. Well, if they do it to me, I'm going to do it to them. Just stop. Stop. Live your own life. Be a good soul. And let everybody else do their own thing. Accept people for who they are, not who you want them to be. Let it go. Plain and simple. Love yourself. Respect yourself. Respect others. If you don't like them, that's okay. That's on their time. You stay in your lane. Let them stay in theirs.